Hi everyone, good morning. So we're going to airfield and it's my first time. I don't know if it's your first time.
My
too.
first time.
Okay, so both of us,
Also.
it's our first time. So we'll see you there and see you, bye. Our things are packed and we are ready to go. Pinasayo ko ni Gatas na on the spot nakakainis. Pero gusto din naman yan.
Pasaot ko sa Yan, and tug, and tug.
Hello everyone, so we're now heading to airfield swimming pool. So look at our way, the mountain range is so cool. And I'm with Gatas. Hello everyone, we're now at airfield but nagkamali kami. We're heading back to Cornell. So decided to stay at the Cornell. See you there. So we're now guys at Blondie and OG Spring Resort. Oh, lain na, pero it's Cornell originally. And for adults, it's 100 for children.
Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts, which we are
Mga angels, sana all, sana dumami pang angels at mamatay na lahat ng demonyo.
Amen.
Hi guys! Ay, Vogue! Ay, Vogue ka!
Andre! Hi! Tas!
At may pa-contest nga sa katabing cottage namin. So si nanay sumasayaw ng Perdition dito. Hindi ko na ma-volume up kasi nga baka makapiright tayo. So iwas-iwas tayo doon.
Shining in the
Grabe,
sun.
sobrang saya nila.
Cover
It's a
in the
reunion of their friends or classmates or batchmates. I'm not really sure, but I'm just so glad and happy that see these people like celebrating friendship in their golden age. I believe that it's not necessarily that if you are in your golden age, you're old already, but if you're enjoying life and you're just happy, I think that's being young. Tama! So, bumili nga kami ng pineapple or pinya, 3 for 100, sobrang mura, and it was harvested from Minapaso. Tama ba ako dun sa, it was harvested? Comment down below. So, yung next talent nga is acting. So, yan. That's the second contender. Si nanay, ang galing-galing niya actually. Tatlo sila. Yung una is dance. Yun yung Pearly Shell. Pangalawa yung acting. Pangatlo is dance. Actually, yung acting, I really appreciate it. Ang galing-galing niya. Sabi nila, she won daw the whole Philippines or Negros Occidental, but her acting was so effective. Sabi ko nga, pwede siya mag-artista eh. There you go. Our pineapple has arrived and I asked for asin. So, but unfortunately, wala. Good thing that Gatas asked asin from other cottage. So, thank you so much, Gatas! And I got Tita dancing! So, the following day, I asked Gatas for a hilot. So, we went to Tatay Bani para magpahilot. Kasi nga sobrang sakit na katawan namin and it's my first time to have hilot again with Tatay Bani for a long time because the last time I was with him for the hilot was when I was very, very small.
Ang arte
Churros ang lawas.
Mahal na kang Si tatay na pinilot sa ako sa baby pa ko. Ang sumunod ako. Nagdako.
Si Gatas na ang hilot ni tatay. Hi guys. Hello everyone. So dumating na nga yung... Hi! Nakita niyo yung details. Dumating na yung panibagong tripod namin, yung tawag dito. Yung travel na tripod. Kasi nga, yung malaki na yun, hindi kaya ang dalhin kahit saan. So, I bought this one. cute small. Sana no? Black all black siya, no? Ganito siya na open. Sana matibay. Yun. Ayun siya. So, natataas-taas siya. Oh, wait. Nakamasibira. Tapos, yung dito sa baba, yung push button. Yan, para may tayo siya. Okay, good. So, guys, ito na siya, guys. I wanna show it to you, but how... Ay, ito pala siya. Ayun. Ganyan siya kataas. Hindi nababa na natin. Ganyan siya. So, paano ito sinasara? Ganun. Tapos, yan. Okay. Ano yung problema ko? Paano pa tayo tinataas? Yun. Matataas siya. Yan. Tapos, naiikot siya. Ganyan. Okay, so I'll try this one, guys. If you want this, a travel tripod, I'll just link it down below in the comment section. Bye for now.
We back. In Passeretti.
May puring guys, oh. This is white cat, white kitten. Kung sa balay siya, yawan sa akin. Sorry guys, against the line. Stop, guys. Oh, that's our vlog! Hello, guys. For the first time ever. For the first... Loy! Tabunan yun!
At nag-TikTok nga kami ng Risk It All. Pero failed. Kasi nga, merong taong dumaan sa likod namin and na-distract ng gatas. Failed. The next day, we went to the city proper to have some meal and to celebrate life. Birthday?
Hi guys, good afternoon. Ay kami tumang sa tubang sa emergency. Kaya ng pork pastel, late lunch, early dinner. Let's eat.
At habang nakain nga kami, sobrang nagulat ako kasi nakita ko yung kapitbahay natin doon sa kabila na nakuryente habang nagtatrabaho. Sobrang grabe yung tama niya at kaya kailangan talaga natin ng dobleng ingat kasi di natin alam kung kailan yung aksidente.
Nothing I won't do, I'd risk it all for you. Don't know how it happened, don't know.
Samahan nyo kami mag-ukay. So naghahanap nga ako ng black pants para i-partner sa uniform namin sa Panaad Festival or Folk Dance Competition sa Panaad Festival. So yan, napili na nga ako at ito yung napili ko. Kasi nga last time, we were instructed to wear black pants. But unfortunately, this time, kahit ano lang naman pala pwede. So, nakipagtawaran na nga ako because this pants is worth 150 pesos. You can't believe it, guys. Pero, natawaran ko siya ng 120 pesos only. So, it was so nice and it's a good get. Good get. Yun guys, so ang ganda-ganda and I feel like it really fits on me. And pag nag-uukay talaga ako, guys, pag sinusuot ko siya, pag tina-try ko siya, and it fits well on me, that's when I'm going to buy. Kasi naniniwala talaga ako na pag hindi siya fit sa akin, that means it's not for me. and it's for somebody else. So, ganun ako. That's how I believe in ukay-ukay. Dati pa lang talaga guys, maukay-ukay na ako. Makikita niyo yan sa mga reviews o mga past vlogs ko. And ayun na nga guys, I'm wearing the black pants that I bought from UK, and it looks good on me. Actually, pinakat ko siya para sumakto sa akin.
Grabe. Grabe yung mga taon. As in, galalopad, yeah.
Nabtan.
Yeah.
Ay, sinama ko nga si Gata sa Victoria's for the, tawag dito, costume check pa tawag dito, or dress rehearsal. And then after Victoria's, we head home to Cadiz and went straight to Cafe La Rana for a short dinner, quick dinner. Kasi nga sobrang pagod na kami, and hindi naman kayang magluto ng ulam at ng bigas.
Anong bigas?
Yes, ng rice. Kaya we went straight to Cafe La Rana, and tignan nyo guys, sobrang pagod talaga ako guys. We just drove a motorcycle. So yan. The following day, I visited Papa in his home to buy him a paint kasi matagal niya na request na pintahan. Nabilhan ko yung tawag dito, bihan ko ng pinta, yung gate namin. Kaya yan, good thing, and I'm so blessed na naka-pera, nagka-TF from Victoria City, and nakabili ako ng pinta para sa gate namin. At nabigyan ko ng para si Papa, at nakakain pa kami na Papa ng pagkain. I treated Papa some food, just simple food, just to visit him. Kasi sobrang bait lang ni Papa. Kasi nga sabi ko last time, na pag hindi ako makapunta pa, that means wala akong may bigay sa'yo na pera. Sabi niya, okay lang naman kahit wala akong may bigay na pera sa akin. Kahit tinapay na, basta pumunta ka lang dito, I would appreciate. Parang ganun niya sinabi. So, diba, sobrang bait na Papa ko. Sobrang man talaga ako sa kanya. And of course, I gave Papa money para meron siyang pambili ng mga gusto niya na food. Pag wala ako, pambili ng shampoo or toothpaste or kung anek-anek. Yun.
Eat. Siomay homemade. Mas nami ako guys, may homemade na siomay. Ay, dumafli mo gid niya, ano ba? Lutod ko, gid niya siomay.
At trip naman niya naman ni Gatas na magpa-massage sa Blind Association. If you guys want to have a massage with them, they are located in front of Juji and near the Cadiz City Catholic Church or Cadiz City Auditorium ba yun? Parang ganun. Just ask anybody here. They know where Cadiz Blind Association is located. Also, if you want to have hilot with Tatay Bane is located at Barangay Tinampaan, specifically sa Don Salvador DSP. Yan. Magtanong-tanong na kayo guys kasi everyone at Barangay Tinampaan, Don Salvador know Tatay Bane. So, just ask them guys. Yan. Pwede din sa mga tricycle driver. Alam na yan kung saan. Alright. And it's Panaad sa Negros Folk Dance Competition Day and I need to have my hair trimmed.
Mga iban bala nagapagunting, tapos gahipos lang. Wala ka suggest. Tapos pagkatapos gunting sa ila, gawin gaban. Wow, asa gunting ko Wow, asa gunting sa ako, di ba? Dapat gamitin mo gina yung mga mouth. Tuwan, di ba? Ginagamit at ng baba para mag-suggest, mag-tell kung gusto ta.
Gamiton, gidya ang mouth, pasabog. Libhasa yung iba, sa iba ginagamit. Espates, kamates.